Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right guys, so today's video, this is going to be a wreath making video. So I wanted to make a new wreath for my front door. I wanted to do something for like autumn, the fall season that's coming up, and I just wanted to do something super cute but very budget friendly. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so like I said, we're in my craft room today. We're going to be working on a wreath for my front door. So first of all, let me show you what I got over here. I've got a wreath form. This is a styrofoam wreath form from the Dollar Tree, you guys. And then I've got a little sign that also came from the Dollar Tree. Too stinking cute. It was $1.25. Dollar Tree's finest. Then we have the florals from the Dollar Tree. So all of these florals, I've been collecting for probably 3 years now, you guys. I just buy them when I see them. I might buy one stem, I might buy 10 stems, but I just pick them up when I see them because lots of times you're not going to find enough of what you need in order to do your project. And so I just grab them as I see them at the Dollar Trees, and then I load up on them, just like I've got here. So I have got some of the blue with the pumpkins. I've also got some of the lighter color with the pumpkins, and then obviously the orange with the pumpkins. And then also I have got some florals over here on my door that I'm going to be going through, and I may be using some of these as well. I'm not just sure just yet, but I may be using some of this stuff, so we'll see. But anyways, here we go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is hot glue this sign to this wreath form. Now, once I had that done, I took each of my stems and I'm going to cut them down to make them individual stems. So we're just cutting them away from their original, like that big bulky stem. Now, I didn't cut these down short enough. Y'all will see when I start to make the wreath, I end up having to cut them again because they weren't short enough. But that's besides the point. I just took the stem. I would push all of the leaves and the pumpkin and whatever all the way up to the top of the stem, and then just cut along the bottom. So super duper simple. Just use my like wire cutters and it cut just fine. I then began to insert them into the styrofoam wreath form. Guys, this was such a simple project. Now, like I said, I did have to recut down most of the stems because I didn't have them short enough, but that's totally besides the point. This was such an easy DIY, you guys. I literally glued that sign to that wreath form and then simply placed those florals into the wreath form. Like there was nothing special about it. It was just super simple. I went like top, bottom, both sides, and then I just kind of filled in each around it evenly. I started with the blue, put all of my blue in, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to go back and put the lighter color in. But y'all, I swear this was the easiest DIY I think I've ever done, literally. And it turns out so stinking pretty. Like, I think it is so cute when I'm done. That's what it would have looked like if I had just left it with the blue. I didn't feel like it was full enough, so I wanted to go ahead and add in those cream colors. I had already cut those down anyway, so I needed to go ahead and use them. Well, I didn't have to use them, but I wanted to. And like I said, I didn't feel like it was full enough with just the blue. So I went ahead and added in the cream color. But guys, these florals, like I said before, I have just collected these over the years. I literally, if I see one, I grab it. If I see 3, I grab them. That kind of thing. I'm then going to take some ribbon that I got from the Dollar General store for $1. This is just regular old like tick and stripe ribbon. It was the perfect color of blue to go with this wreath. So what I'm going to do is make a floral bow. So this is the bow that we make at the flower shop. This is what goes on all of our stuff. And you simply pinch it. I'm going to pull it down here and show y'all again. I take it back apart and literally do it because I realized I wasn't in front of the camera. But you're going to make a loop, pinch it, twist it, make a loop. Pinch it, twist it, make a loop. Pinch it, twist it, make a loop. Super, super easy, you guys. You just hold it with the other hand. You're going to twist it, make a loop. Pinch it, twist it, make a loop. So, so simple. Now, I did this slow because I wanted to show you guys exactly how I did this. It was so easy to do. And then you're just going to cut that off. Now, keep that in your hand. Keep that held in your hand. Cut off another thing of ribbon for your tails. And you're going to use that to tie this all together. So just wrap it around the loops that you just made and tie that off. You want to pull it down like towards the bottom of the knot and tie it. Really, really easy to do. And check it out. It's perfect. Now, I'm just going to hot glue this back into place. This actually came with a raffia bow on it, and I didn't like it. It looked all smushed, and y'all know how the raffia bows look after the Dollar Tree has gotten a hold of them. They don't look so hot. So I took it off and decided to add this one. So I just used a little bit of hot glue, popped this dude on, and that was it, y'all. That's all I did to this. This was so, so simple. And check this dude out. Ta-da! What do you think, you guys? What do you think? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. So, so cute. I love the different colors. I'm glad I didn't use the orange. Like, I only did the light tan and the blue. And I think it looks fantastic, you guys. I love this. I love this.